Ow. Hi, my name is Dr. Matthew Hale. If you're watching this, you're probably enrolled in my CST 1010 Fundamentals of Public Speaking course for winter 2022. And if you're not enrolled in my class, that means you're an internet rando or a subscriber to my channel. If you're a subscriber, hey, thank you. And if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel. It gives me serotonin and I'm kind of out of it. Anyway, the purpose of this video is for me to introduce myself to folks who are working with me to improve their public speaking this semester. I'm really looking forward to working with each of you individually and kind of you as a collective. Now, this is my first year here at University of Detroit Mercy, so chances are that you've not met me and I've not met you. So let me tell you a few things about myself like I would if we were meeting face to face. So I'm a qualitative researcher and content creator. I study media audiences, user engagement, social media. I am really interested in and dedicated to digital education. I don't think online education is inherently bad or that it has to be impersonal or boring. I hate discussion boards and I think academia just needs to evolve like a lot. Okay, so now I'm going to humanize myself by telling you a bit about my hobbies. This, I should add, is a totally weird, robotic way, weird sentence to undermine that goal. But still, here's some stuff about me that you might want to know. I don't know. I like art and design. I love and collect plants. I have a bunch here. I have a whole bunch of traditional tattoos. In fact, I'm getting a frog tattoo on my left leg in just a couple of days from now. I somehow found an Xbox Series S on Tuesday. Went to Target beside my house. They had 2 in stock. Couldn't believe it. I'm going to replay through Cyberpunk 2077, The Witcher, maybe Skyrim again, and I just started Halo Infinite. Last but not least, I make memes, like all the time, so expect to get fresh homemade memes throughout the semester. I'll post those in Blackboard announcements and the community tab here on YouTube, and also share them on Instagram and TikTok and occasionally Twitter. I hate Twitter. Anyway, I'll talk about my dog, Leon, aka Boo Boo, aka Boo Boo Baby, frequently. Here's a picture of him now. You're welcome. So hi, welcome to class, or to my channel. If you're new here, sub, like the video. Students, email me if you need anything. Take care of yourselves and others, and I look forward to working with each of you this term. So, hey.